what is nature-based solutions? It's solutions inspired by nature and supported by nature, simply said, and it has a few key factors to be a nature-based solution. So first of all, nature-based solutions include like other interventions like ecosystem-based adaptation and forest restorations and all like green infrastructure and blue infrastructure. But what it makes nature-based solutions, it has to tackle all 12 of societal challenges that are written by European Commission. First, second, it has to be cooperation with people. So it's important to ask people and citizens what they want. You can't just do a high buffer zone around the park and don't let people to enter. It has to be accessible, so it has to be good for people and for nature and for biodiversity as well. And also it has to be cost efficient. So this is the problem we have in Lithuania sometimes, because we do green roofs and all the other nature-based solutions, but we don't calculate sometimes if it's cost efficient. Also, nature-based solutions help with water quality. So if you have natural process, it can filter water. Another solution is Japanese park garden in Vilnius. It looks really nice. But it's actually not a good solution because they have lots of alien species like sakura trees that are naturally not growing in Lithuania. That means that local birds can't actually well, we can technically, but it's not their natural habitats. Also, second thing is the pond is part of Samvage Valley ponds, but during the construction of the streets, the river that was flushing through these ponds was cut off, so the water don't change, it just stays still. And they have a solution that's not based by nature, so they're pumping oxygen into the pond so fish can live there, but it's not natural, so you have to always put funding and do it by yourself, and if someday they will stop to do that, everything will die. So it's not a good solution. Also, the bad thing about this park is that before park was created, Japanese garden, there was a natural habitat of birds and their nesting places, so they pretty destroyed the nesting places. What I think Vilnius is doing great with nature-based solutions is water management ponds, rainwater storage, and also maybe street trees. We plant lots of street trees just to give a shadow and clean air and do all of these things.